It's perfectly okay if you only have a few friends. You're not missing out. You're choosing real ones over many faces. True friendship isn't about numbers. It's about trust and connection. Sometimes the smallest circle brings the biggest comfort. What matters is the love and loyalty you share. Not everyone needs to be in your life, just the right ones. You're not alone. You're just surrounded by those who truly matter. Real friends see your silence and still understand. Real friends stay when life gets tough, not just when it's easy.
Sa grupo ng kantahan, puso'y nagsama-sama. Iba't ibang